Yeah, so hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. And yes, so we're doing weekly update, and today I'll be focusing on DXY and BTC. So before further ado, let's dive right straight into the charts. So we're looking at DXY first, checking my watch lists. So DXY, so if you have been following my channel, you will notice we've been following one particular price move chart pattern on the XY on the weekly time frame, and that chart pattern is called a bordering wedge, and it has this down sloping resistance, and also this down sloping support here. So I'm coming, okay, I'm not even supposed to redraw this, okay. Okay, so so the major thing here is this excuse me. So the major thing here is this, we're looking at a chart pattern that has a target of, like, if you drag this and you drop it at the breakout level. I have this this chart pattern already on the channel, so I just want to point out what we should be expecting this week, next week. So let's use the daily time frame here. Okay, so daily time frame here. So what I'll pay close attention to is this come on, let me remove this. I'll pay close attention to this resistance here. So when I say resistance, I'm talking about this level here and this level here. Very important level. So you can see price has gotten to that level, and you can see some kind of action, previous action here, respecting that resistance. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 here. So it's very important we understand what the market will do from here. And a lot of people will tell me, with this breakout, will it continue to go higher? And the best answer to that question is this: whenever you see support or resistance, maybe after a breakout from a chart pattern, the first thing you should pay attention to is wait for it to break out or wait for it to pull back. Once you get a breakout to the upside and you see that the body of the candlestick has violated the previous resistance, then that is a move to the upside. But at this point, you can see it is respecting this previous resistance, so it might find it difficult to break out to the upside. So another thing again is, when the candlestick continue to lean on that level for too long, then it's telling you that okay, I want to go this way to the upside. So there's nothing much on the XY, just a normal move to this level, and if this move continues to hold, we'll likely see that push to the upside. Okay, so let's look at BTC. Now, previous chart we talked about this bearish divergence here. So let me go to BTC. So we talked about bearish divergence, as you can see here. So let me make this to be bold. Bearish. Yeah, so what we have here is a bearish divergence, and you can see on the RSI, you see it's sloping upwards, while on the price is sloping downward. So what does this mean? This means that price will reverse to the downside, but should find the nearest support level. So let's take a look at this support level here. I'm going to expand this very well. Okay, so let's take a look at this support level here. So we have two different support levels here. First of all, we're looking at the close of the body of the candlestick, where we had this several rejection, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 several rejection before price actually broke this level to the downside. So we have this level of support and this level of support. So if we're looking at where price will likely hold or push through, we're looking at this level here around 25,725 and around 25,095. So yeah, 25,095. Yeah, okay. So another thing I want to point out here again is on the weekly time frame, which it is what we should pay close attention to here. On the weekly time frame, we have this double top still forming here. It is very important, like I explained while I was talking about the DXY chart. I said we want price to break below this and this to the downside, and the body of the candlestick to close below this and this. So we had this previous resistance will turn to future support. Now support is now holding here again. So for this to break this level to the downside, we need a valid confirmation, which is the body of the candlestick. If we don't get that confirmation per se, then price will continue to push higher. Okay, and again on the Ichimoku, everything is flat. Whenever I see all these things are totally flat, future cloud is flat. Just no price doesn't have much momentum to move that really hard on the weekly time frame. Okay, but anything inside the cloud is not a good level, good area to open a trade. It's better to be outside the cloud, whether up or down, but you should not trade anything inside the cloud. So we're still leaning at either to break out or to break down, but we want to see price breaking to the upside. So what are those things we need to see, or we should be expecting if we want price to push higher? First thing first, want this to cross back bullish, which is the blue back to the upside and the red back to the downside, and want price to come out of this cloud, which is what we call Kumo breakout. Then the Chico span, which is the green EMA, should be above price and above cloud. So when we get all those set up, okay, we already have this future cloud is green. So when we have all those set up in place, then we'll see something like this. So as you can see, the cloud is the price rather is above the cloud, and Chico span is above the price and above the cloud. So when we see all these metrics above this cloud, then we're gonna see this kind of move. But as for now, price is still battling its way, maybe outside or below the cloud. Okay, so for now we're still gonna see more and more consolidation inside this range. I think in the coming weeks or so we'll get to see what will happen, but what I'm seeing here on the lower time frame is not really good. We're still going to test some previous lows here. I'm using 2 hours time frame now. We're still going to test some previous lows, and those lows we're looking at, the first one we're looking at this level here. We're looking at this level. Let me use blue for this coming. So we're looking at 25,580. Okay, from 25,829 down to 25,580, and an extended support of this level here, so of 25,054. Okay, I think that is all what I want to share with you guys, and I just hope you guys really enjoyed this. I'll try my best to continue to upload market updates so that you guys will really get to see what the market is saying. Okay, that will be all for now. Let's see what will happen this week, if price will hold within this level. Take note of this, it needs to hold within these levels for a push to the upside. If it doesn't hold, then the play out for the double top on the weekly time frame would set in, while we see price pushing lower. So in case we get a double top confirmation push to the downside, we should be expecting some kind of targets around around this level. Yeah, around this level. Price should range within this level. Very important, because I'm seeing some form of support and resistance here. So that will be all for now, guys. I'll do my best to continue to post market updates to keep you guys up to date. So guys, happy trading. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Goodbye.